Two of the things that I really love in life are cute lash decorations and naps. Today, we are going to look at the new cute goodies that we got from Laser Tech Designs in the summer 2019 BeautyPro Box. Let's get started. Hey guys, Emily here with BeautyPro Media, where our aim is to inform, empower, and inspire beauty pros just like you through our reviews, event coverage, pro tips, interviews, and fun stuff. If you like our videos and want to see more, please consider subscribing to our channel. All links and information will be posted in the description box below, so make sure you check that out as well. All right, welcome to another video for the summer 2019 BeautyPro Box series. One of our returning featured vendors is Laser Tech Designs. Let's talk about what you got. First, if you take a look at our BeautyPro Box postcard, you will see a coupon code for 20% off your next custom piece from Laser Tech Designs. So if there's something that you've been wanting to create, now is the time. They can laser engrave almost anything. If you can think it, they can make it happen. Thanks, guys. Okie dokie. Now, let's take a look at this super cute sign that says Lash Nap in Progress with a set of lashes on it. It's made out of bamboo and is tied with a white ribbon, so it's nice and neutral and can easily go with just about any color scheme. Now, the idea is to be able to hang this on the door of your lash room, but really you can hang it anywhere you want. They've also included one of these handy dandy damage-free plastic hooks so that you can affix it to whatever surface you want and hang your sign. These hooks have a maximum weight capacity of about half a pound, so don't go hanging your purse on it or anything like that. It also says not to hang things over your bed, on windows, wallpaper, or textured surfaces. Also, do not hang anything valuable or irreplaceable, or framed pictures, for safety reasons. To use your hook, first clean your smooth surface with rubbing alcohol and do not use household cleaners. Remove the black liner that says wall side and apply the sticky side of the strip to the wall. Press the entire strip firmly for 30 seconds. Next, remove the blue liner and press the hook to the sticky side of the strip firmly for 30 seconds, being careful not to press the part that's sticking out so you don't snap it off. After waiting 1 hour, you can hang your sign. If you want to remove your hook, first hold the hook gently in place and pull the tab of the strip straight downward and never towards you. Stretch the strip slowly against the wall at least 15 centimeters to release. So there you have it, the cute custom product that we got from Laser Tech Designs. If you have ideas on your own custom engraved goodies, hit them up with your exclusive BeautyPro Box discount code. Today's question of the day: do you encourage your clients to take a nap during their lash services? Let us know in the comments below. If you're just joining us, we just showed you how to best use the goodies that we got from Laser Tech Designs, one of our featured vendors from the summer 2019 BeautyPro Box. If you missed out on the summer box, the next one available will be the autumn 2019 box, and you can get more information on our website. If you or someone you know would like more information on how to become a featured vendor, please send us a message. All links are down in the description box below. Thank you for joining us here at BeautyPro Media, where our aim is to inform, empower, and inspire you through our videos. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with us, and for that reason, we commit to continue being an impartial and authentic resource that you can trust. If you like our videos and want to see more, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again real soon. And until next time, just remember that we can all be the change that we want to see in the lash world and beyond. Thanks, guys.